Hey folks, the content struggle is real. It's a real thing. I got like 4 videos that are all 3/4 done. I got one that has like 8 hours of video that still needs to be gone through. I gotta get something out here. Hope the wind isn't too bad. Let's discuss the future star of this channel, at least for the winter coming. Right there. We got a poll coming on this one. On the, what's that, community tab? Yeah. What should we do with that hunk of junk? Fix it or don't fix it? Check out that front end nose. It's got its nose in the air. It's stuck up. That truck is a snob. Okay. 1946 Ford Super Deluxe. Left in a bush for God knows how long. I don't even know if there's a license plate on it. I don't remember looking. Somebody put a little tow hitch right through the nice Ford emblem. That's a shame. This thing needs a name. I don't have a name for it yet, other than hunk of shit that's sitting over by the sea can. Somebody was into moonshine, maybe. Not sure. Rapeseed oil. Pure vegetable oil for salads, baking, and frying. Nice. Another moonshine jug. Plastic syrup. Whoop. More moonshine in the back. Well, that's a co-op symbol of some sort on that thing. You know, a little vacuuming and you could be right back on the road, you know. I don't think this door opens. It's got the suicide doors. Oh, it does open. Hey! Little WD-40 on the hinge, I tell you, do a world of wonder. What else we got? What is this anyway? Pure white vinegar. Aw. It was better when I thought it was moonshine. Plexiglass? I don't know if that's supposed to be for this car. Not sure. All the glass is in it. Some of it's split, some of it's not. Oh, we can see outside. That's for ventilation for those hot days. Oh, somebody was into pickling. Man, there we go. There we go. There's a Labatt's light. Yeah. Any full ones in there? Damn, all empty. It's thirsty. What's this? Javex. 67 bleaches whitener. All right, whatever you say. Oh, more Javex. Well, a guy could do his laundry out of this car anyway. That's actually solid. Good sign. Good sign. I really like the suicide door in there, guys. Gotta admit it. Not much of a trunk left underneath the plywood. Frame and a gas tank by the looks of it. You can go snare some rabbits. flathead. Because that's what's in this thing. So much potential. So much rotten potential. And does nothing, okay? Someone stole their tail lips. A little bit of a dent there and a little butchery there. Pepsi Cola. What's this one? Tab diet drink. Oh, not as solid. Uh-oh. It's a one-post car. The post on that side is the good post. This post, not so much. It's a one-poster. A little bit of fixing to do there. Bullet hole. I know, I'm shocked as well. Whoever put the bullet hole up here is clearly a terrible shot because it's still got all the glass. Put license plate up here. Holy shit, there's two. 1960. So it's been parked for a couple years anyway. 65. Parked for 65 years. Flathead. Missing everything but the heads in the block. No carburetor. Spark plugs are missing. That wasn't me. There are two water pumps down there. I don't think this is going to be if we touch this motor, we're not touching it inside this car. There will be something else to go in here. Somebody got a little happy with the wire cutters. Who knows what any of that does. Pretty cool hood ornament. Couple little pieces of trim missing. This one here. Oh, that's got a big crack in it. Man, what a piece of shit. A crack in it. Why'd I drag this thing? That piece of trim's missing, there's a piece of trim here missing. Windshield's clearly shot. But yeah. Definitely need some body work. Like a whole winter's worth. Pretty rough. Some more welding butchery over there. Pretty terrible here. Nothing somebody with little brains and a whole lot of ambition couldn't tackle, you know? We got down here. More disaster area. Oh man, we don't even have a key. Man, I want to see if we turn over. Oh well. Anyway, that's that. Oh, what's this? Our fan. Can't forget about our fan. Looks better without it. Throw it back in the bush. There. There you have it. The channel star for the winter. 1946 Ford Super Deluxe. Probably not on this frame. We'll use the body. You know, reuse all the interior because it's mint. Probably putting it on another frame, getting a whole different drivetrain. Could be a series of lots of stupidity, lots of hammering and dollying and cutting and welding. Oh man. Can't even get good wipers when you buy a vehicle nowadays. Oh, we never checked the glove box. What? Why? There we go. Forgot to check the glove box. Come on. The glove box just goes right under there. We're not going to find a registration in there. In the summer, we're supposed to run SAE 30, winter SAE 10 for something, temperature, installation book, tire pressure, pounds. Check it out. She shifts. She shifts. If it shifts, it should run, right? That plastic's all falling apart. I do like this chrome trim piece. There's one thing about this car, it's that piece of chrome right there. Really ties the room together. There it is. If you want to see more of this thing, like, share, subscribe. Throw a comment in there what you think we should do with it. I got my own ideas, but hey, I'm open to suggestions, and maybe I'll listen, probably not. Let's be honest. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Later. Hunk of shit by the seat count. Not a hunk of shit by a chicken coop.